Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. The formula for the perimeter of a rectangle is P equals 2 times L plus 2 times W. Part A, solve the formula for L, the length. Part B, use the result to find the length of a rectangle with a perimeter of 54 centimeters and a width of 9 centimeters. Now let us work through the solution step by step. We start with the standard perimeter formula, P equals 2 times L plus 2 times W. Our first goal is to rearrange this formula so that L is alone on one side. We treat P and W as if they were ordinary numbers and use inverse operations to isolate L. To get the term with L by itself, we subtract 2W from both sides. On the right side, positive 2W and negative 2W cancel each other out, leaving just 2L. So we now have P minus 2W equals 2L. Next, we divide both sides by 2 to undo the multiplication. On the right, 2L divided by 2 is simply L. On the left, we get the quantity P minus 2W, all divided by 2. So the formula solved for L is L equals P minus 2W divided by 2. Now for part B, we are told the perimeter is 54 centimeters and the width is 9 centimeters. We substitute these numbers into our new formula, L equals 54 minus 2 times 9, all divided by 2. Following the order of operations, we first multiply 2 times 9 to get 18. Then we subtract 54 minus 18 equals 36. Finally, we divide 36 by 2 to get 18. The length of the rectangle is 18 centimeters. Let's verify by substituting L equals 18 and W equals 9 back into the original perimeter formula. 2 times 18 is 36, and 2 times 9 is 18. Adding those gives 54 centimeters, which matches the given perimeter. Our answer is confirmed. To summarize, in Part A, we solved the perimeter formula for L and found L equals P minus 2W, all divided by 2. In Part B, substituting a perimeter of 54 centimeters and a width of 9 centimeters gives a length of 18 centimeters. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.